What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got 2020 GMC Acadia. We're gonna replace the engine filter, part number right here. As you can see, there you go. We got wicks filter here, cabin filter, there you go. And it's gonna be an easy job. You guys can do it yourself, and something like this you should do every about 20,000 miles, 15,000 miles, and that's the time frame. And both of these filters costed me 43 bucks. Wicks filter is a little bit expensive, so let's pop open the hood. So your engine air filter is located right here. You're gonna open this screw, this screw is a Phillip head, screw here, screw there, and that's about it. And what we're gonna do is, so you need a screwdriver, a Phillip head screwdriver. I'm gonna use a drill here to make my life easy. So let's take this guy off. You don't have to come out all the way, okay? As long as you're losing it, just like that, let it come out. And you should do both filters together, okay? So every like 15, 20,000 a maximum. So that's about like 3 to 4 oil changes right there. If you're doing 5,000 miles. Okay, there's none back there, so hopefully I got them all loose completely. So this car has about 19,000 miles on it. Let's see the condition of this guy. Okay, so we're gonna lift this guy open, just lift it up, and the filter should simply just come out. Look at that. Not so bad, but it's gotta go. And if you have a lot of dirt and debris in here, you gotta vacuum it up, clean it up, something like that. Minor is no problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a new filter, and I might throw that filter in before you guys see it. There's our new filter. I took it out of this box. So as you can see, the triangle looking shape. So you want to put it back in the same way, okay? I'll use one of my hands to help me a little bit. Don't yank it too much, because you don't want to rip this wiring over here apart. And let's make it sit back down where it belongs. So simply just guide it to sit on the spot, and then we're gonna lock in all the bolts. Let me go across here. There's nothing back there. That's how simple it is to change the filter on this car. That's the engine filter, okay? Engine air element, engine air filter, you can call it whatever you like. There you go. So now we're gonna move on inside the vehicle with our cabin filter sitting on top of this right here. Okay, we're gonna grab this filter, grab this box. Alright, so we're gonna go inside the vehicle now. Let's take this guy. There should be arrow. You see the arrow sign right there. Always want to follow those arrows, the air direction. So vehicle is just a direction of the filter. Anyways, it's a lot of stuff in here. So what we're gonna do is, I don't want to just drop everything here. What I want to do here is let's remove some of this stuff. Okay, on this side you got that little plunger right there. So all you want to do is you want to grab this and just yank on it. Okay, that's how simple it is. So take that off, then you squeeze this side and squeeze this side. The whole cabin glove box just falls out. And in here you have this tray here. It does have a small little torque screw here, so we're gonna remove that torque screw, and it's only one. And then you're gonna push on this and it should come out. So let me go get the torque screw. So I went and got this torque here, T20. I'm not even gonna use anything behind it, because I should be able to. Okay, so I went and got this ratchet with the T20 torque here, and I'm gonna simply just get this guy out. I don't know why they would put a screw there. guy is out. Let's put this to the side, and I'm gonna push on this tab, and we should be able to pull out this guy. So it's pretty much hooked on from one side, and you got a little latch up here too. That's okay, just pull on it, it should come right out, and then your cabin filter should come out in that manner. So first I'm changing it. Let's see, airflow sign is down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing, airflow down, and that's it. Okay, make sure your filter is side to side. One side is shorter, that's not a perfect size then. So let's clip this in from one side, and it should snap right in. Then we're gonna grab our little screw here. This job is pretty much done. Okay, let me reverse our ratchet here. Just tighten this screw just enough, so you don't want to strip it. So just once it's flush against it and it stops, and that's it. You're gonna take out our glove box. You see the little hooks? They're gonna sit here, okay? So it's a very simple glove box here, and it sits just like that. It sits right there. Make sure all of them are in, and then you lift it up and you yank it in. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure you take this plunger here. You stick this guy right into, it's hard to see, but right into the housing, and that's it. Test it. It should come down slow. Thank you for watching. Let's put all the stuff back in, and that's it. See you guys in the next one. Something like this you could do yourself and save yourself a good $100, because dealer is going to charge a good $100 for something like this. Anyways, thank you for watching.